RB360 2-in-1 welder, all included accessories. For plasma cutting, connect the ground clamp to the positive. Next, connect the control lead and pilot arc wire. Plug in the plasma torch's gas-electric connector here. Attach the air hose and tug it to make sure it's secure. Pull up, turn to 60 psi, push down to lock. Push the blue ring in and hold it down, then pull the gas hose out. Connect the gas hose quick connector. Open the main valve of the gas cylinder. Turn clockwise to increase the gas flow. Switch to cutting mode. Adjust current from 15 to 30. Toggle the 2T for T function. Long press for gas test. Post gas time adjustable 2-15 seconds. Effortless cut on 16mm steel with minimal draw.